I'm going to show you how to pack your favourite felt hat in your luggage, ensuring it stays in tip-top shape throughout your journey. You'll need your hat, your luggage, and your clothes. First up, let's choose the right case. It's important that your luggage is wide enough to fit the hat's brim and deep enough to accommodate its crown. Start by packing larger items like sweaters or trousers around the outside of the case. Leave enough room in the middle for the crown of your hat. Insert your hat in between the clothes. This method isn't suitable for our stiff flat brim styles. For those, consider using carry clips on the outside of your bag instead. Next, take small items like t-shirts or underwear and gently pack them inside the crown of your hat. This helps maintain the hat's crown shape. Once you arrive at your destination, promptly remove your hat from the suitcase and rest it on a flat surface to let it regain its proper form. If you find your hat is a bit out of shape, just apply a little bit of steam. And there you have it, your hat is safe and sound after your long journey.